Hello, I'm FlyLady Kat, and I'm here with a special gift for you, and that is a free Patreon video. This Patreon video is one of hundreds and hundreds that I have on my Patreon channel, A Better Life with FlyLady Kat at patreon.com. And on this video, you will see that we're talking more about how we think and implement the FlyLady system into your life rather than the specifics about the FlyLady system. So I call it a mini mentoring session, and it is $5 a month if you decide that you want to enroll at Patreon and become one of my patrons. $5 a month gives you 5 videos a week, week after week, month after month. If that's something that you love, please come over and enjoy these and be part of our special group. There are no advertisements on Patreon, so you'll be able to enjoy it end to end without interruption. If you feel that you'd like to have a little bit more mentoring, maybe some personal accountability or some help, you can get one personal mentoring session a month with me for $25. That is my tier 2. That's going to give you the 25-minute mentoring session and the videos all inclusive for $25 a month. If you need more help, you can get 2 mentoring sessions a month plus the videos for $50 a month. And if you want to go all the way and really help yourself establish some great habits and get into the flow of the FlyLady system, then I recommend that you go for 4 mentorings a month, which is $100 a month, including the free videos. These are all great systems for you. If you can't join Patreon, that's fine. Do your best on the FlyLady system here on this channel. I'm sure you can, but if you do need some help, please come over and see how you like it. That's it for today. I hope you have a beautiful day, and I hope you always remember to be beautiful, because you are beautiful. Enjoy the video. Hello, patrons. Today we're going to talk about your why. Why do you do the things that you're doing in your home, other than that you want a tidy house? Why do I ask you to do certain things? So the bottom line is, the answer is for you to have a better life. So I want you to think about it. When you get up in the morning and you dress yourself, why are you doing that? Why have I asked you to pick out clothes the night before? Because I want you to feel pretty. I want you to feel nice. I want you to feel whatever level it is that makes you feel worthy in some way, even just to yourself, that you care enough about yourself to dress yourself. So I like this little print blouse. I think it's cute. I picked it out. I'm wearing a little jean skirt. These are things that make me feel pretty, and that's why I wear them. Why do I put on lipstick? Why am I wearing pearl earrings? I've decided to wear pearl earrings for the 50 days of Easter. I think they're very pretty. My daughters gave them to me for Mother's Day, but I wore my crucifix for all of Lent, the 40 days of Lent, and now I'm celebrating with my pearl earrings. So when I see them, not only do they make me feel pretty, but they also remind me of something important to me, something to be grateful for. So there are reasons that I do these things. The reason that you clean up after dinner is so that when you walk back in the kitchen, you're not assaulted by dirty dishes. That is not a pleasant thing to do to yourself. So you take care of it, and you recruit your family to do their part too, because they're also assaulted when they walk in there. They may not realize it, but they're going to appreciate so much more a pretty clean kitchen. It's psychological, it's subliminal. It's not something they may say, wow, I love this pretty clean kitchen. Now, you might have some of those characters in your house, but the majority of them are like, whatever, Mom, don't believe it. They do notice, but more important, you notice, and it makes you feel in control. Remember what I used to say back in the day? I used to say, I'm here to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you finally love yourself. That's what this is all about.